If your second monitor isn't working with your J5, create JCD543 docking station or similar J5Create dock. The issue is usually related to drivers, USB-C compatibility, or incorrect display settings. These docking stations rely on USB-C DisplayPort alt mode and proper graphics drivers to output video to multiple monitors. If the drivers are outdated, the cable doesn't support enough bandwidth, or your system settings aren't configured correctly, the second display may not be detected. Fortunately, most multi-monitor problems can be fixed by checking connections, updating firmware, and adjusting display settings. Step 1. Make sure the USB-C cable and monitor cables are securely connected and support USB-C 3.2 or DisplayPort alt mode. Step 2. Open your system display settings and enable Extend Displays for multi-monitor mode. Step 3. Download and install the latest firmware and drivers from the J5Create website. Step 4. Update your graphics drivers to ensure proper multi-monitor support. Step 5. If the second monitor still isn't detected, restart the dock, reconnect it, and run the Windows Display Troubleshooter.